So here you have the bottom of your new burner system. What you're going to see, of course, is your rating tag. That tag by code is attached to the bottom of the pan. That tag also lists the rating standard and the listing standard that this has been tested to, so that it is a listed product for commercial and residential installations where that's required. You're going to want to always peel that off the bottom of the pan so that tape doesn't get all smelly and stuff for your consumer. So you're going to peel the tape all off of this, and this will just hang in the bottom of your fire pit. From there, you're going to see some wires taped to your fire pit, as well as the bottom of your igniter assembly. And then, of course, the little pilot wire or lead, gas lead, that's coiled up on the bottom of the pan. It's important when you're installing this to review it and know a few things. This little thermocouple sensor can be crimped, it could be broken. You want to be careful with that. It's fairly forgiving, but you don't want to wrestle this thing around and kink or break it, or it's not going to work. Also, your igniter wires. You have your ceramic probe igniter here. This is ceramic. You don't want to crack or break that, or it's not going to light properly. So you're going to want to pull those wires out of that little tape. You're going to want to get that tape off your pan, so again, it doesn't stink for your customer. As well as all this will be hanging upside down so these wires don't touch the bottom of your fire pit. What you're going to notice, of course, is the orange wire from your spark igniter does have a connection. We'll show you in a second where that connects to. You're also going to notice your ground wire. That ground wire also has a little spade connection, and we'll show you where that attaches to. So again, you don't want those wires touching the bottom of the pan. You want to get the tape off. From there, our little thermocouple sensor I referred to earlier, again, don't kink or break this. This is our pilot tube. This is what feeds gas to the actual pilot itself. We're going to show you how to connect that stuff to the valve assembly itself, and then how to do your gas connection from there.